Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing extremely well. In this video, we are going to talk about multiple hiring opportunities. So make sure to watch the complete video, guys. It's a request to watch the complete video so that you are not missing any important update or any important information regarding the opportunity, because well, getting a job with your desired package as well as profile is difficult to find sometimes. So here I want to tell you about an amazing platform that is relabeled by Unacademy, which will help you out to get your dream job in just 15 days. And all you need is that relevant skill set, your degree, your marks, etc. These things are not going to be a hurdle in your path, because all they care about is the proper skill set. You can see that they have partnered with 200 plus leading companies like Spread, 1MG, Misho, Urban Company. Many product-based companies and startups are going to hire through this platform is, and all you need is to give their test, right? So you have to do is what? Let me tell you. You have to register for the test. You have to take the test. You have to score good in that test, right? Make sure that you're scoring more than 70% in the test. You have to do anything. Companies are going to approach you. You have to interview with employers. You have to accept the offer letter. So the easy journey is going to be for you. First, you don't have to depend it on your college or anything. The link is given in the description itself. Do the registration and let me show you the achievers of Relevel as well. So here you can see these are the achievers of Relevel platform, which has been placed by Relevel. And they do ensure that if you're from a non-tech background, you'll be getting a minimum package of 4 LPA. And if you're from a tech background, the minimum package for you will be 6 LPA. And students even get more than 15 LPA of package. You can go through it, the achievers that they do have, right? So it totally depends on your skill set and definitely how's your performance is going to be on the test. The link is given in the description itself. Do register now, give the test, and get placed in your dream company. So, well, first opportunity is from Infosys itself. You can see Infosys is doing a huge, like, I should say, like, lots of hiring is going on in Infosys right now. So this hiring is for 19, 20, and 21 batch, and this is for system engineer role, right? So this Infosys is hiring again for system engineer role. So make sure to apply for it. Is given in the description itself, right? So make sure to apply, and there are multiple videos related to Infosys on our channel itself. You can just explore them, and if you want to make two more such videos for you so that it will be helpful for you and it will be helpful for your selection, then let us know. Definitely we'll be working out something for you. We'll be making some stuff for you that is helpful for you, right? And another opportunity is from Aqualite, as you can see. So Aqualite Women in Tech hiring for 2022 batch it is. So as a part of Women in Tech campaign, we are hiring women technologists to be a part of our team of innovators. Get the chance to shape your career while solving our clients' most complex digital challenges. So this opportunity is for women for 2022 batch. As you can see, application deadline they have clearly specified that is 22nd of October 2021, 6 p.m. Talking about the job description, so as a software developer, you will be the brain behind crafting, developing, testing, and going live and maintaining the system. You are passionate in understanding the business context of features built to drive better customer experience and adoption. Talking about your responsibilities, so you should be familiar with software development lifecycle from analysis to deployment, comply with coding standards and technical design, believe in systematic approach to developing the system through clear documentation, flowcharts, and etc. functionality, address every use case through creative solutions, adapt structure coding style for easy review, testing, and maintainability of the code, integrate the developed functionality and component into a fully functional system, ensure unit and integration level verification plan are in place and adhere to great quality of code at times, active participate in troubleshooting, debugging, updating current live system, verify user feedback in making system more stable and easier, work closely with analyst, designer, and other peer developers. Talking about the eligibility criteria, so this is a diversity hiring for software development engineer role, applicable to diverse students from 2022 graduation batch with no active backlogs, and CGPA should be greater than 6 or 60%. Basically, eligible courses are PE, BTech, MTech, MCA, integrated courses, guys. So make sure to share this among your women friends so that they can know about this opportunity, and if anyone is watching, right, and if 2022 graduates are eligible for it, so if some senior is watching, then make sure to share it with your juniors. Definitely it is going to be helpful for them. Work location they have specified is Bangalore, Mumbai, Gurgaon. So there are three options provided. Compensation की बात करें, so that will be from 5 LPA to 8 LPA. Tenure bonus they have provided up to INR 3 lakhs based on company guidelines and policy. So only for women candidates. So here's a simple form that you have to fill, providing all your information. So make sure to apply for this opportunity. Obviously, it's an amazing opportunity for the girls. Let's talk about our next opportunity that is from TCS. So well, TCS has started hiring for MBA, right? This opportunity is for TCS MBA hiring it is. Again, this is free of cost, so no money is going to be charged for it. Well, talking about the registration and date, so this is 9th of November 2021. Test is going to be announced soon. Interview date also will be announced post your test and all. So let's further talk about this. So this TCS MBA hiring for year of passing 2021 and 2022 batch. So if any of your friend is doing MBA currently and is belonging from these batches, make sure to share this opportunity, guys. It's just we are here to help each other, right? And definitely you all have to cooperate with us in our agenda of helping each other, in helping everyone to get praise, to get a job, right? So make sure to help us. Okay, so TCS Management Hiring Initiative is exclusively open for all management graduates who can join our workforce in for year 2022 to 2023, the path to build a strong foundation. Here's how you have to apply. So step 1 is going to be you have to log into the TCS Next Step portal here, register and apply for the TCS MBA hiring. Scenario A is, let's suppose if you're a registered user, so you have to do the login, you have to proceed to complete the application form, and upon submission, kindly you have to click on application, like apply for drive. Next scenario is going to be that you are new user. So first of all, you have to do the registration. You have to choose your category as IT. In this part, mainly students do mistake, they do choose BPO and all. So this is not the case. You have to choose IT and you have to proceed to fill your details, submit your application form and click on apply for drive. You have to select your mode of test as remote and click on apply. So important note they have provided is that you can just go through it, right? So lots of information is here. We are going to discuss only the important one for you so that video can be kind of short. Okay, so if you need any kind of help, any kind of assistance, so they have provided here this email ID. You can drop a mail on it, or even a toll-free number is provided here. Let's quickly discuss about the test eligibility. So 2 years full-time MBA, MMS, PGDBA, PGDM. Course is marketing, finance, operations, supply chain management, information technology, general management, business analytics, project management. You should be belonging from these courses. Talking about percentage, so minimum aggregate of all subjects in all semester marks of 60% or above in the each of class 10th, 12th diploma. If applicable, graduation, post-graduation examination, which includes successful completion of final year semester. Talking about the background, so BTech, BE background prior to MBA, integrated MBA is a must batch. The student of 2021 and 22 pass outs are eligible. Any prior work experience will be considered based on its relevance to the job. Right? Let's quickly discuss about the test details. So you will be having 47 questions that have to be answered in 90 minutes. The test will be consisting of verbal aptitude questions, so that they will be of 7 questions. For quantitative aptitude, there will be 20 questions. For business aptitude, there will be 20 questions. So here are some frequently asked questions as well provided. So you can just explore about these questions, because generally there are some common doubts in every student's mind. So maybe these questions will be able to answer your question. Okay, so next opportunity is from Expedia. So Expedia is hiring for machine learning engineer 1. As you can see right now, the job location is going to be Gurgaon. So we'll be proceeding further. So are you fascinated by data and building robust data pipelines which process massive amounts of data at scale and speed to provide crucial insights to the end customer? This is exactly what we, the supply and partner data engineering group in Expedia. So what you will be doing is you will work with a team of machine learning big data engineers to design and code large-scale time data pipelines on the AWS platform, prototype creative solutions quickly by developing minimum viable products, and work with seniors and peers in crafting and implementing the technical vision of the team. Participate in code reviews to assess overall code quality and flexibility, resolve problems and roadblocks as they occur with peers, and help unblock junior members of the team follow through on details and drive issues to closure. Participate in user story creation in collaboration with the team, support and troubleshoot data and system issues as needed. So who you are, so first of all, you should be having bachelor's in computer science or related technical fields or equivalent related professional experience, 0 to 3 years of relevant work experience, strong coding, data structure, and problem solving skills. You have experience in Spark, programming is Scala, Python, and Java, and this here is an add-on. You are passionate about learning, especially in the areas of microservices, design pattern, and system architecture. You have experience working with agile Scrum methodology. So here's a quick description given regarding the company as well about Expedia Group. So you can just go through it, explore more about the company, and make sure to apply for these opportunities as well. I hope that you have found this video useful. If it is so, make sure to hit the like button, do subscribe our channel, turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss any important update or opportunity from our channel. So guys, do this process. Please do turn on the bell icon and be a part of our Telegram channel as well. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Also don't forget to share the video among your friends as well. Thank you, everyone.